number 42 is a multi-step problem here. The capacity of a landfill is 4,756,505 tons. The landfill currently holds 2,896,112 tons. A cell is added to the landfill every day, and each cell averages 1,600 tons. Write an equation that gives the amount y in tons in the landfill as a function of the number of x days from now. Okay, y is going to be how much we have in the landfill. Well, right now we already have 2,896,112 tons, and we're going to add to that 1,600 tons for every cell, and we add one cell every day. So we're going to add 1,600 x. 1,600 tons times x, the number of days. There's part A. Part B, after how many days will the landfill reach capacity? It's going to reach capacity when we hit that 4,756,505 mark. So we're going to substitute that in for y. 4,756,505. When is that going to equal my current trash level? 2,896,112 tons plus 1,600 tons per day. So if we fence, post, and solve, we'll subtract 2,896,112 from both sides. And when we subtract that, we get 1,860,000. Oops. Try that again. 1,860,393. Of course, it's going to cancel here, and we're left with 1,600x. So our last step, the inverse operation of the times 1,600, is to divide by 1,600. And when we do that, we find that x, the number of days until the landfill is filled up. Let me crank it out here. We get about 1,162.74 days. So if I was going to round to the nearest day, like they asked me to, I'd say about 1,163 days. Now the last part of the problem asks us to use estimation to check our answer to part B. Now, we've got a lot of stuff going on the page, so I'm going to clear some space here. There we go. Okay, remember part B we said about 1,163 days. They say use estimation to check your answer to part B. Well, if you look at 4,756,505 tons, you're looking at about 5 million tons. And if you look at how much is already in there, 2,896,112 tons, you're looking at about 3 million tons. So a quick estimate is that the landfill can hold about 2 million more tons. Now you're looking at it holds 1,600 tons per day, and it's kind of far-fetched, but 1,600 is pretty close to 2,000. So let's just say we said 2 million and divide that by 2,000 tons per day. What would happen? Well, there's zeros and zeros and zeros would cancel, and 2,000 divided by 2 is about 1,000. So a quick rough estimate would have been 1,000 days, which is pretty reasonable with our real answer of 1,163.